Hello YouTube. This is only on Reddit. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and comments. And to the today's video, well right now I am cleaning out my car because my car is dirty, has some trash in it, stuff like that. So and today, it was very hot outside. And I do save bottles and cans. I do collect these. Go to the recycle place and let it fly in here. Like I said, I do be going to the recycle place to get some money out of these bottles, the water bottles, can or glass. I do be collecting these. Believe it or not. So. Yeah, like I said, I am cleaning out my car. My car is dirty, so trying to clean up. My son toys, he left his toys in my car, so. He do be leaving half of his toys inside my car.